Shalom, this is your Ark. Yah is magnified, coming back with another informative video. I titled this video Rule 12b-1 and 12b-6. But before I tackle this subject, as always, I must state for the record, I'm not a lawyer, I do not practice law, and I do not pretend to. All my videos are for informational and educational purposes only. They're all facts and all truth. Nothing more, nothing less. So with that being said, let's get to it. Okay, so now, again, I titled this video Federal Rule 12b-1 and 12b-6. Okay, so for all of those who believe that you can go to federal court and win, and for the idiots that keep telling y'all to do so, like we're going to listen to this idiot right here, again, trying to mislead the people astray before he can make a quick buck off y'all. We're going to put his client case up where it was over with before it started, man. Okay, so we're going to put that up. But before we put that up, let's listen to him say that you can go in federal court and win. So what I'm basically showing y'all is they say one thing, but the truth is something totally different. It's not about being, it's not about me or them. It's about the truth. Okay, that's what we want. We want the truth. And the truth will make you free. Okay? It will make you free once you get the truth and know the truth. So with that being said, let's listen to this idiot real quick.
To go to federal court. You can go to federal court, fellas. You can win. To go to federal court. You can go to federal court, fellas. You can win.
Okay, so we just blatantly heard the idiot say you can win in federal court. So if you can win in federal court, then why are your clients losing in federal court? So now, this is an order that was written up, as you all can see. Let's bring out the facts, man. Like I said, it ain't what you say, it's what you do. It's your actions. Actions speak louder than words. Okay? It's the fruit that you bear. You judge a man by his fruits. Okay? Not by his words, but by his fruits. The fruits of his labor. Judge a man by that. Not by what they say you can do. If they can't prove you can do it, then it's all talk. Okay? But like I said, this is his guy's client. He say he can go in the federal court and win. Okay. More proof. His client is getting his butt kicked in federal court, y'all. Kicked. This is unfair. This is a mismatch what's going on to his client. And it's not a diss to his client. His client don't know any better. So I'm not dissing his client at all. By no means am I dissing this man's client. I'm dissing that man, period. Not his client, though. His client was he got suckered into believing in a lie. Plain and simple. Like I was suckered into believing in a lie as well. Okay? But now, with that being said, as you all can see, it says June 1st, 2018. So this whole thing was entered in back in June. So this order is a month old. Okay? Only thing they waiting for is the judge to sign off on it. To make this order so bad, this order wasn't typed up by the judge. This order right here was typed up by Sarah Loom and Bridget Natalie. They the ones that typed this order up, not the judge. They know it's over with from the beginning. They wrote the order up and everything and tell the judge, only thing you got to do is sign right here. This thing been over with. This guy don't have a chance. Like I said, man, that 12b-1 and 12b-6 will have your case over before it start. Immediately, man. Immediately. Don't take my word for it. The proof is on the screen. I don't have to lie, man. What am I lying to you all for? That's what they're doing. I'm providing y'all facts. I'm giving y'all the opposite side of the tree. I'm giving y'all the opposite side. I'm telling y'all the facts, man. But let's get there. So as you can see, again, in the United States District Court of Southern District of Texas, the Houston Division, same plaintiff, Julian S. Cayo, Family Law Center, Texas Health and Human Services Commission, Marquisha Lee, Sarah Loom, and Bridget Natalie. The same defendants, right? But as you can see, now this order right here was written up, again, by Sarah Loom and Bridget Natalie. They the ones that typed this order up. So let's read it. It says, order granting Sarah Loom and Bridget Natalie's Federal Rules of Civil Procedures 12B1 and 12B6 motion to dismiss. They typed this up for the judge. They made his job even easier because they know it's already over with. Like I'm telling y'all, keep dealing with these federal courts, you will get the same thing. Everybody gets the same thing that goes to these federal courts, man. But let's continue. It says, after considering the motion to dismiss by defendant Sarah Loom, and misnamed defendant Bridget Neitherly, collectively the individual defendants, pursuant to Federal Rules of Civil Procedures 12B1 and 12B6, on plaintiff original complaint by pro se plaintiff Julian S. Cayo, plaintiff or Cayo, claims for alleged violations of his constitutional rights and for alleged infringement on his state constitutional rights, the court grants the motion to dismiss plaintiff lawsuit with prejudice. And this is written, this not even written up by the judge. This whole order is typed up by Sarah Loom and or Bridget Natalie. They wrote this order up. It's already over. They just saying to the judge, look, man, we got the order already ready. Just sign right here. It's over with. And he going to sign it. And when he signed it, I'm going to put it up. But let's continue. It says, it is hereby ordered that defendants 12B1 and 12B6 motion to dismiss is granted. It is hereby ordered that plaintiff Julian S. Cayo's claim for alleged violations of his U.S. constitutional rights and for alleged infringement of his state constitutional rights is hereby dismissed with prejudice. This is a final judgment and motion. Any motions not ruled upon at this time are expressly denied. Signed this blank day of 2018 by the Honorable Sim Lake. Now, like I stated before, this wasn't written up by the judge. This was written up by the defendants. So you know it's over with. You know it. They know it's over with. So anybody telling y'all to go into these federal courts to fight, they're making a fool out of y'all, man. Plain and simple and plain. Like I said again, this is by no means any disrespect to the guy Julian Cayo. Nah, there's not a disrespect to him. You know, he was just a pawn in the game. Okay? I didn't use him as the pawn. Wasil used him as the pawn. I'm just showing y'all, don't be the next pawn. Okay? Don't be the next pawn. Talking about you can go in federal court and sue when your client getting his butt kicked. It's over with already. It was over before it started. Okay? So with that being said, that's all I'm going to do for today. When the judge sign and date the order, you know, I'm going to post that back up for all to see. You know, then it's really over with. That's the seal in the coffin. The nail is in the coffin. It's a wrap. It's over with. Okay? And look, like I said, this was done right there, highlighted in blue. June 1st, 2018. So now we're in July. At the end of the July. So now, since we're at the end of July, right? It's been a whole month. The judge going to sign off on the order, and that's it. Once he do that, they are free to go. The child's mom going to be free to go. And the state and family law center going to be free to go. And Texas Health and Human Service Commission will be free to go. Okay? And Cayo wasted his money in federal court. Like I wasted my money in federal court dealing with these cats. You know, falling for the lies and the scams. So again, this is by no way any disrespect to Cayo. You know, Cayo, keep fighting, brother. You know, continue to do what you need to do. Don't stop there because you fell victim to somebody else. Just keep fighting, brother. Study, hit them books. So with that being said, though, you all be blessed. If you need my help, hit me up in my email at yahismagnified@gmail.com. For everybody that's fighting, continue to fight. You know, I'd like to thank all my subscribers for watching. You know, and thanks for rocking out with me, man. For real, I really appreciate all of that. I appreciate the love I've been getting and receiving. You know, it's well appreciated, man. You know, it's not going unnoticed. You know, I really appreciate that. So again, with that being said, stay out of those federal courts, because they will beat you off Federal Rules of Civil Procedures 12B1 and 12B6. So with that being said, you all be blessed. Have a wonderful day. Shalom.